I'm Rob Menzies and welcome back to my channel. And we are here yet again at the one and only Donington Park for yet another No Limits track day. I'm going to be out on my Kawasaki ZX636 that I've recently bought from Small Boys Track Hire Bikes. Yet again, we're going to have the GPS on and we're going to be out making the most of all of the sessions that we can do. Now this one's really exciting as we're going to be doing a double header here, so we're not just here for the one day, we're actually here for 2 days here at Donington Park, so looking forward to having a huge amount of fun. Now as always, we're going to have the Helite Airbag vest on and I'll tell you a little bit more about that in a moment, but as well as that we're also going to have that GPS and all those analytical bits that I love to offer you guys so we can show you what's going on. So we're going to go through each session, I'm going to take you along with me, we're going to guide you through, and now let's get on and tell you a little bit more about my Helite Airbag vest, so come with me now. Right, so we're now here at Donington Park and we're just about to head out onto the next session. Before we do though, I just want to quickly talk to you about my wonderful Helite Airbag vest. Now this is the Helite GP Air, and if you're interested in getting your own, I have a nice little link for you down below. That will give you £50 off your next purchase, and it actually gives me a little bit of a kickback to help me with the servicing of this baby. Basically, if you're a horse rider, a road rider or a track day rider, if you want to protect yourself from the worst that might happen, then you really want to try and think about getting yourself one of these. So go and check that one out and see what you think. We're going to start getting on with the next session, and that's coming up for you right now. hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please remember to not only like the video but also hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos like this in the future. Thanks again for watching, and see you again soon.